Hello and welcome to this cloud computing video. I will cover what is cloud computing, then cloud computing explained in a simple way, cloud computing basics, cloud computing benefits, and what is cloud computing technology. In this cloud computing tutorial for beginners, let me start with what is cloud computing. Cloud computing means that computers are available on the internet on demand by the user. These computers provide compute power and data storage. Since these computers are ready to use, the user need not set them up or even maintain them. Next in this cloud computing tutorial is cloud computing explained. Now the cloud symbol represents a computer network. Cloud computing can be using public cloud, private cloud or hybrid cloud, etc. Public cloud is accessed on the internet. Since the public cloud is used by users from different organizations, security becomes important. Private cloud can be hosted externally or internally, but it belongs to a single organization and has users from that one organization only. There is something called hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud has elements of both the public cloud and the private cloud. Some services, for example customer data, may be hosted on the private cloud, but business applications may be hosted in the public cloud. Another example is cloud bursting. Cloud bursting means an application runs on the private cloud but starts using the public cloud as demand increases. Cloud computing basics. In cloud computing, the users can access the cloud system using a web browser from any device. The users can demand compute power or data storage directly from the cloud system. The cloud system measures, controls and optimizes compute processing, data storage, bandwidth and users. Few famous cloud providers are AWS, meaning Amazon Web Services, Microsoft and IBM. After the introduction to cloud computing, let us see why cloud computing is such a big deal. The main cloud computing benefits are reduced costs and being able to use cloud technologies without advanced skills. The hiring organization need not invest in their own computers and IT. Cloud computing is available quickly, reducing time to provision the computers. The hiring organization need not maintain the cloud computers and associated IT infrastructure like networks. Cloud computing systems may have better security because cloud providers typically have security experts monitoring the cloud system. Next, what is cloud computing technology? There are many technologies used in cloud computing. The first one is virtualization. Virtualization means creating multiple virtual computer devices on a single physical computer device. A tenant means a group of users. Multi-tenancy technology means that multiple tenants use a shared system. IaaS means infrastructure as a service. IaaS provides APIs to access computation resources and data storage at scale. In IaaS, the users can install operating systems and applications. PaaS means platform as a service. PaaS provides a development environment or IDE with operating system, programming language support, database server and web server. The users can install libraries, services and applications but cannot install operating systems or low-level resources. You may have heard about SaaS. It means software as a service. SaaS provides ready-to-use applications. The users can only configure and operate the applications. The users cannot install any software in SaaS. BaaS means backend as a service. BaaS provides compute power, data storage, notifications, integrations with social media platforms, etc. I hope that you have a good grasp on what is cloud computing. Please comment which cloud computing benefit you like most. Thank you.